If you connect your phone to a Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi is slow, the issue might be your phone. Let me show you how to fix that. But before I show you, make sure to follow us, save this video, and share it to your fellow friends. So come to your settings, and then come to the Wi-Fi, and then click on this icon over here. Scroll down, find configuration, configure DNS, and then you're gonna click manual, and then add another DNS 8.8.8.8, and then add 8.8.4.4, and then delete this one, and then click save. By doing this, your Wi-Fi will be 10 times faster than before.